Hey there guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do a problem dealing with basic acceleration. So the problem is, a man jumps into the water from a cliff that is 40 meters above the surface. Assuming the initial velocity to be 0, A. How long will the person fall? B. What is the person's impact velocity in meters per second? So before we can do anything else, we need to figure out what is given to us and what we need to find. So I'm going to start this off by drawing what we have. Got a cliff and water, got the man falling, and we know that the height of the fall is 40 meters, and we know that he's falling due to gravity, which has an acceleration of 9.8 meters per second squared. So part A is asking for the change in time, and part B is asking for the final velocity. So we're going to start off with part A, looking at the time. So we're going to use the equation. The change in distance equals 1/2 acceleration times the change in time squared plus the initial velocity times the change in time squared. And we start plugging in what we know, which is 40 equals 1/2 times 9.8 times the change in time squared plus 0 times the change in time squared. So we simplify this down and get it to 40 equals 4.9 change in time squared. And right here, it's just simple algebra. You simplify this and isolate the change in time squared, so you divide it by 4.9, and you get 8.16 equals the change in time squared. So we need to take the square root of this, which comes out to be 2.85 seconds. And that right there is our part A of the problem. Now we need to find part B, which is asking for the final velocity. So we're going to use the equation 2 times the acceleration times the change in distance equals the final velocity squared minus the initial velocity squared. So yet again, we plug in what we know, which is 2 times 9.8 times 40 equals the final velocity squared minus 0. So we simplify this through and we get 784 equals the final velocity squared. And we take the square root of this again, and it comes out to 28 meters per second is the final velocity. And that's all there is to it. It's very simple. I hope this video was helpful to you, and have a good day.